Hi, myself Alakunta Navin, roll number 49 from ITA. My topic is about Zener diode. Zener diode definition. A Zener diode is a heavily doped semiconductor device that is designed to be operate in the reverse direction. A Zener diode, also known as a breakdown diode, is a heavily doped semiconductor device that is designed to operate in the reverse direction. When the voltage across the terminals of a Zener diode is reversed and the potential reaches the Zener voltage, knee voltage, the junction breaks down and the current flows in the reverse direction. This effect is known as the Zener effect. How does a Zener diode work in reverse bias? A Zener diode operates just like a normal diode when it is forward biased. However, when connected in reverse biased mode, a small leakage current flows through the diode. As the reverse voltage increases to the predetermined breakdown voltage, current starts flowing through the diode. The current increases to a maximum which is determined by the series resistor, after which is stabilizes and remains constant over a wide range of applied voltage. There are two types of breakdowns for a Zener diode: avalanche breakdown and Zener breakdown. Avalanche breakdown in Zener diode. Avalanche breakdown occurs both in normal diode and Zener diode at high reverse voltage. When a high value of reverse voltage is applied to the PN junction, the free electrons gain sufficient energy and accelerate at high velocities. These free electrons moving at high velocity collides other atoms and knocks off more electrons. Due to this continuous collision, a large number of free electrons are generated. As a result of electric current in the diode rapidly increases. This sudden increase in electric current may permanently destroy the normal diode. However, a Zener diode is designed to operate under avalanche breakdown and can sustain the sudden spike of current. Avalanche breakdown occurs in Zener diode with Zener voltage greater than 6 volts. Zener breakdown in Zener diode. When the applied reverse bias voltage reaches closer to the Zener voltage, the electric field in the depletion region gets strong enough to pull electrons from their valence band. The valence electrons that gain sufficient energy from the strong electric field of the depletion region break from the parent atom. At the Zener breakdown region, a small increase in the voltage results in the rapid increase of the electric current. Avalanche breakdown versus Zener breakdown. The Zener effect is dominant in voltages up to 5.6 volts and the avalanche effect takes over above that. They are both similar effects, the difference being that the Zener effect is a quantum phenomenon and the avalanche effect is the movement of electrons in the valence band. Like in an electric current, avalanche effect also a larger current through the diode than what a Zener breakdown would allow. Circuit symbol of Zener diode. There are many ways in which a Zener diode is packaged. Some are used for high levels of power dissipation and the others are contained with surface mount formats. The most common type of Zener diode is contained with a small glass encapsulation. It has a band around one end marking the cathode side of the diode. Here we see the Zener diode. The VI characteristics of a Zener diode. It is the diagram shows the VI characteristics of the Zener diode. The VI characteristics of a Zener diode can be divided into two parts as follows. Forward characteristics, reverse characteristics. Forward characteristics of Zener diode. The first quadrant in the graph represents the forward characteristics of a Zener diode. From the graph, we understood that it is almost identical to the forward characteristics of any other PN junction diode. Reverse characteristics of Zener diode. When a reverse voltage is applied to a Zener voltage, initially a small reverse saturation current I0 flows across the diode. This current is due to thermally generated minority carriers. As the reverse voltage is increased at a certain value of reverse voltage, the reverse current increases drastically and sharply. This is an indication that the breakdown has occurred. We call this voltage breakdown voltage or Zener voltage and is denoted by Vz. That's all about my topic. Thank you.